Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I do this twist out on my natural hair. I am starting off with freshly washed hair. If you all haven't seen my wash day routine, I will link that in the cards for you guys. Also, I am going ahead and sectioning my hair. I feel that when I do twist outs or any other style sections, just work better for me. As you all can see, it's just a lot of hair everywhere. So I section my hair off so that I can manage it a little bit better. First up, I like to go in with water because as you all can see, the water has escaped my hair. So we are adding some more water and we are doing our best to work that in. And sometimes it takes a lot of motion from your hands and building up heat from your hands to work it in. Then we are going ahead and applying our Honey Hydrate leave-in. This is hands down my favorite leave-in, you guys. There are not too many leave-ins that I like, but this one I actually really like. And I'm now just adding my Curl Stretch Pudding by Shea Moisture right on top of that and making sure I work that in as well. Sometimes it does take me a while to get products to work into my hair because I do have low porosity hair, but I do my best to be patient with it to show it some love. And now I'm going on top with some Jamaican black castor oil to try to seal that moisture in. After that roll is completely moisturized, now we are going to go in and start doing medium-sized sections. I try not to do too small twists. I kind of go for like the medium right in the middle. And what I like to do is when I get ready to start my twist, I do like to make sure that section is fully coated further. So I will add water and more product if I need it, only if I need it. And I determine whether I need extra water or extra product just by filling the hair and working the products through. I also like to go through and detangle because I have found that using a wet brush like this one, it helps distribute the product evenly. And I like to twist tightly. This is kind of like a key to my twist outs. Twisting tightly, it just results in a better twist out in my opinion. So as you all can see, I am twisting tightly. And if I feel any tangles at the end of either strand, I will go through and detangle with my fingers or with a brush if I need it. And at the end, I like to give it a coil and I like to take off the extra product. And if you didn't quite get it the first time, we are going to do it again, so don't worry. I'm just finger detangling first, trying to see if that section needs more product. And then I detangle with my brush to distribute the product evenly. And I go in and I begin twisting tightly so that I can get the best definition possible. And once I get to the end of that twist, I will go ahead and give it a coil at the end and take off the excess product. Taking off the excess products helps you save on product, first of all, but it also lets your hair dry a little bit faster. And then I repeat this process all over my head, first moisturizing in larger sections and then breaking down those larger sections into the smaller sections that I will eventually turn into a twist.
Every breath I take for you, don't you know I like it too? Don't you know that I like it too? We can share your pillow while we talk about our dreams. I'm a dreamer, baby. I know just when to let go, but you'll hold me till I sleep. Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? Ooh, yeah. Every breath I take for you, I'm ready for this, baby. Oh. Don't you know I like it too? Don't you know?
Once my hair is completely twisted, I do go ahead and tie it up, and I actually sleep with my twist in overnight and then I take them out in the morning. Hey y'all, so it is actually 2 days later. I have this thing where most of the time I let my hair sit for like 2 days, but it be ready to be taken out in like the first day. But I didn't have anywhere to go yesterday, so we're just taking it out today. But before we get into the takedown process, you guys, I have to give you all my final thoughts on this TEAMI tea. So this is the skinny tea. I am still drinking it, of course, because you guys, the skinny tea just provides so much energy. I feel like it gives me that boost in the morning to like be ready to like check off all of those things on my to-do list. Hold on, let me get a sip. Yes. Oh, okay, I probably got like lipstick all over it, which I do. But anywho, so I actually finished the 30-day detox. Not for sure if you all can see that, but I showed you all this detox card in my last vlog that I did, my anniversary vlog actually, and I was telling you all how I did the 30-day detox, which I do believe that it really helped. But you guys, the going to the bathroom thing, that was just like next level stuff. I was going to the bathroom like every time the morning after I would do the colon tea, and it would definitely send you to the bathroom. But I do feel like it got all of the toxins out of my body. I told you all that I was eating a lot of processed foods, and I do believe that it got the toxins out of my body. But the skinny tea is like something that I kind of like go back to even after like starting the 30-day detox, because I can see a difference in energy levels when I take this tea or drink this tea in the morning, which I am super loving. And if you are still interested in trying this tea, I will go ahead and leave the discount codes on the screen and also in the description box below. But let's go ahead and jump into taking out these twists. I just can't get over. This is how you all know that I literally had my hair tied up for a few days, because the twists are like super flat. I'm gonna just flip them out. I must say they are super moisturized, which is like what I really be going for when I do twist outs. And I'm just going to add some Jamaican black castor oil to my hands. I always try to add oil to my hands when I do the takedown process, because it does help with frizz. And if you're scared you might miss some twists, you can just section it off. So I always like to start in the back. It just makes more sense to me. And as you see, I like to unroll the twist and just pull it apart just like that. So when I'm undoing the twist, sometimes I will go ahead and separate as I go through them, but sometimes I just unravel them and just separate as need be. So as you can see, the curls are defined, but I am going to separate and I am going to get it probably a little bit fluffy, because I am kind of like feeling the fluffy hair at the moment, so we'll see. But like I said, I only try to separate the hair where it naturally wants to separate. As you all can see, I smoothed out this section right here, and you can see how part of the hair wants to separate on its own. And sometimes you do have to give it a little bit enforcement just by coiling it around your fingers. So after I go ahead and separate my hair, I like to kind of like figure out exactly how do I want to wear my hair. Like, do I want a part? Do I not want a part? Do I just want to wear it out? But before I make a final decision, I do go ahead and pick my hair. And when I pick my hair, I only pick the roots. So, for example, and by the way, my hair is super soft, which I really like. It all goes down to like the deep conditioning process. If you all haven't seen that video, I will leave it in the cards on how I shampoo and deep condition my hair, but also the products I use, and then just taking time to make sure you get moisture in the hair. So just like this, I take the pick and just lift up, and by holding the ends, I make sure I don't ruin the definition at the ends of the hair. And be very gentle with this process, because if you're not, it can hurt if you're tender-headed like me. So I went ahead and kind of played with my hair to see what I want to do, and I think I want to do a flat twist going across the front. So I am about to try that, and hopefully I don't cause too much frizz. So I just sectioned off a small section across the front of my head, and now I'm going to add some even edge control to my edges. Soon I'll catch myself falling, As I flat twist, I'm going to make sure that I grab small sections so that it can look as neat as possible. They may not like it, darling, but soon I'll catch myself falling, All you have to do is hide the twist in your hair somewhere and just pin it, and it'll stay. And if you cause any frizz like I did, all you have to do is kind of like bring it to the side and camouflage it. So now I'm just gonna touch my edges up before I tie my hair down. So I'm just using my scarf to tie my hair down. You might have to clip it back out the way like I am doing. When my hair was longer, the twist headband used to like be my go-to thing, and I think it might be coming back, y'all. And 20 minutes should do. You just want to make sure that when you take your scarf off that the hair underneath is dry, and you can always tap on it to feel if it's dry. Mine of course is not dry right now because I just tied it down, but I could still feel a little wetness from the edge control. So I'll be back after this dries. Okay you guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. I don't think it's 100% dry, but we are going with it, and voila. It's just something about layering your edges down that just brings the hairstyle to a whole nother level. So after you take your scarf off, just flip it out and frame it to your base. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking out like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be. So that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. See ya. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person.